Hello dear traders, welcome to InstaForex TV channel. You're watching a weekly link up with me, Anna Kasachkina. We'll discuss the ongoing situation on Forex with technical analyst Peter Yakimovic, and we'll try to forecast further movements of popular currency pairs. This trading week, the US dollar has been extending weakness, thus giving its rival currencies the opportunity to assert strength. The euro-dollar pair is closing the week in the green. Hi Peter, what trading strategy would you recommend on this currency pair?
Hello dear traders. On the euro versus US dollar, basically what I found is that price went to finish the upward correction, in my opinion. We got a very complex, actually, corrective phase and sideways movement on the euro versus US dollar, but I actually see that euro versus US dollar went into the overbought zone, which is a sign that basically buying looks extremely risky at this point where the euro dollar is trading right now. So my advice to watch for selling opportunities in this currency pair because of the potential end of the correction, ABC flat, and due to the extension potential overbought condition. The downward targets are set at the price of 1.1480, and the key downward target is set at the price of 1.1335. This bearish trading idea will be invalid if you see the breakout of the 1.1613, because this will confirm potential further upward prices, and you don't want to hold this potential sell position if you see again that euro dollar is trading above 1.1613. So watch for selling opportunities on this currency pair due to the overbought condition and potential end of the upward correction.
At the same time, the pound sterling is still trapped by uncertainty around the Brexit deal. For this reason, the pound-dollar pair cannot develop a steady rally. We would be glad to find out your advice on the pound-dollar pair.
On the British pound versus US dollar, there is also a complex upward correction, in my opinion. What I found basically the most recently that there is also similar like on the euro dollar, we got potential end of the upward correction and potential ABC flat. Potential C wave at this stage, and my advice is basically to still watch for selling opportunities in this currency pair. Price may go a little bit higher, take the previous resistance, but I advise to watch for selling opportunities. You can watch for example, any bearish flag, any, for example, head and shoulders on the lower time frames to confirm this end of the upward correction. But watch for selling opportunities, and the first downward target is set at the price of 1.2636, and the second downward target is set at the price of 1.2490. This bearish trading idea will be invalid if the price go and trade above 1.2980, which is also a Fibonacci retracement 61.8% from the major downward leg. So watch for selling opportunities on the British pound versus US dollar.
Riskier assets are winning favor with investors this trading week. The Aussie and the Kiwi received a boost from the optimistic sentiment amid progress in the trade talks between the US and China.
On the euro versus New Zealand dollar, what I found is a very interesting thing, basically. According to a 4-hour time frame, I found that there is a potential head and shoulders formation in creation. And I found a very decent potential risk reward setup on this one, but you need to watch for potential breakout to the 1.6900 level, because this is a critical support, in my opinion, on this for this potential pattern. Again, this currency pair is trading in the sideways mode, but the head and shoulders is potentially building on this one. So pay attention on this currency pair and the level of 1.6900. The breakout of this 1.6900 level will confirm potential lower prices, and if that scenario happens, then you watch for selling opportunities with the downward target at the 1.6710, and this is approx the projection for this head and shoulders pattern. So watch for the breakout of the 1.6900 and then watch for selling opportunities.
Thank you, Peter, for your trading recommendations, and see you next week. You've watched the Link Up on InstaForex TV channel with me, Anna Kasatkina, and Petar Yakimovic, technical analyst of InstaForex in Serbia. We wish you always profitable trading and see you soon.